Gile. H Gile. H. Not Hyderabad. H is honest. G means genius. L means lay. L-E-Y lay. English lay, not Hindi lay or Telugu lay. Okay, English lay. Say, by the way, actually today we are going to learning how to learn learning. It's not a magical workshop like. It's learning how to learn learning. సే దీనికోసం నేను ఏం చెప్తున్నానంటే నేను చేసే విషయాలు 21 times రిపీట్ చేస్తే దట్ విల్ బికమ్ ఏ హ్యాబిట్. అండర్స్టాండ్? సే టు స్టార్ట్ దిస్ ఐ స్టార్ట్ విత్ an activity. Say generally workshop means magicians will say we all wanted to see magic with the magic wand, but unfortunately or fortunately I didn't get the magic wand today. Just if I say Simsalam Ekofo, the magic wand has come. This magic wand, if I will wave, suddenly something will appear, and once again if I will wave, that will vanish. Just to create a sensation, the magicians will use this magic wand. You know, some of the children are going to schools and colleges and all those things. How learning happens? A question for you. మీరు ఎలా నేర్చుకుంటారు? చిన్న అబ్బాయి చెప్తారు. ఏదైనా ఒక విషయాన్ని ఎలా నేర్చుకుంటారు? ఇది చెప్తే నేర్చుకుంటారు. పెద్దవాళ్ళు చెప్పండి. చూసి నేర్చుకుంటారు. మీరు చెప్పండి. నేర్చుకుంటారు, చదివి నేర్చుకుంటారు, విని నేర్చుకుంటారు. So this all comes under only one subject, that is called observation. Looking, listening comes under the observation. How to observe? Say to observe anything in a positive aspect. దానికి మనం ఎలా కూర్చోవాలి? Some exercises are there. First I will start with exercises and then I will start the activity step by step. Okay, it is all about learning, how to learn learning. No concern with any magic or anything. Understand? Okay. Say, you know Bastrika? Say, let us start with a Bastrika. Okay. Say, to start with Bastrika, first I'll give the instruction. You have to do it. Okay, I'll do only 2 times, but you have to repeat it 30 times. Okay. First, you have to inhale, and keep your fist like this and turn it and down. When you are down, you have to exhale the air, breathe. Exhale the breath. Okay. You have to repeat 30 times. When you repeat that, the lungs will get more of oxygen. That will make you to learn easily. Okay. When you take the long deep breaths, the intake of the oxygen that refreshes your brain cells. You all have brains? Yes. Then you have to relax the brains first. To relax the brains, the lung power should be there. Then only you can relax yourself and you can start the learning. Now all start this Bastrika first 30 times, and after that close your right. Okay. Listen first. Instruction. Meanwhile, I'll prepare for the starting exercise. Okay, you have to close one of your nostrils and opposite this thing. This is 30 times. And keep this thing 30 times. First, both the hands. Okay, first listen. Then start and say that, then you have to start. Okay. Say, look, listen and learn is all about the workshop today. కైసా దీక్నా ఎలా చూడాలి, ఎలా వినాలి, ఎలాగ నేర్చుకోవాలి. ఓకే, నేర్చుకునే విధానంలో మనకి హెల్త్ బాగుంటుంది కదా, ఏదో చేయగలిగింది. గుడ్ ఫుడ్ అండ్ గుడ్ హెల్త్ ఈస్ మోర్ ఎనర్జీ ఈస్ నీడెడ్ ఫర్ టు లెర్న్ ఎనీథింగ్. సో ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎ empty stomach, you cannot learn. Your stomach will call for the food. Okay. Say, that's why these are the important things. First, before I start the activity, I'll ask you to make your brain set fresh. Okay. Say, for this, you have to do 30 times with the both hands. 30 times this one, 30 times this one, 30 times this one. Means say 30 times, means say 30, 30, 30, 90 times. 90 times you say 90 seconds. Means say 1 minute, 1 minute,
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Okay, now let us start. Let's start. Let us start. Keep all your hands. You are not in the class? Do it once again. Just do like this. Down. Down. You are also not doing. You completed. 90 minutes. Fast. Everybody did it? This is, if you don't follow the instructions properly, the final result won't come. Can you carry 100 kgs weight? Huh? Can anybody carry 100 kgs weight here? Huh? No. If I give you gold coins of 100 kgs, do you take it or do you leave it? Take it. Huh? खींच के भी लेके जाएगा. Understand? छोड़ेगा नहीं. Say, when you can't carry 100 kgs, you have to make it into small parts. Understand? 50 kgs, like 10 kgs కూడా తీసుకెళ్ళచ్చు. Anything that మనం తక్కువ చేసుకుంటే ఈజీగా క్యారీ చేయగలుగుతాం. In the same way, in the learning also, when you can't understand the whole concept, you understand by step. Mind, now the instruction is only step by step. Okay? Listen, look, and understand, and then do it. Okay? Look, listen, learn is the lifelong learning concept actually. For మన life కావాల్సింది look, lifelong learning కావాల్సింది look, listen, and learn. Only two senses. This say you might be known about the neuro-linguistic programming. Like programming a computer can program the human being brain by giving suggestions. That is the power of suggestions. Okay, now that suggestion, anything that repeated it 21 times, it will become a habit. You know what is habit?
No.
Say, what is habit? Manchi panla. Can you say? The beginners. Habit అంటే అలవాటు. అలవాటు అంటే ఏంటి అలవాటు? There's a మంచి అలవాట్లు ఉన్నాయి, చెడు అలవాట్లు ఉన్నాయి, good habits, bad habits, and so many habits are there. Now I'm talking about the habits and to learning system. Okay, these are all needs a step by step. So before starting the activity, I'll tell you about my strong habit. Of course, it's a magic item, but I'm showing you a magic related to the educational habit. What is written here?
Habit.
HABIT, habit. Habit means అలవాటు. ఓకే, ఆదత్ హిందీలో ఆదత్ అంటారు. ఏదైతే మనకు అలవాటు అయిందో అదే మనం చేస్తాం. ఓకే, ఎనీథింగ్ దట్ రిపీటెడ్ 21 times consciously, that becomes a habit. Understand? Anything that repeated consciously 21 times. Why are you holding your hands?
Habit.
Habit. Okay, it's all right. Is it comfortable now? Can you keep your hand like this for an hour?
No.
1 hour? But it won't be possible because you are not habituated to that action. If you are habituated to that action, you can stay here for 1 hour. Say you are very comfortable, someone asks you to do something, our mind will not accept sudden changes. It has to be repeated. Anything that repeated consciously 21 times, that will become a habit. Now this is my habit. Okay, HABIT habit. I had a habit of taking more cups of tea. I used to take around 30 to 40 tea cups per day. Say what I thought I can break my habit. You know, morning I woke up at around 7 o'clock and 6 o'clock or 6:30, and I'll take 1 cup of tea and I'll go for a walk and I'll come back and I'll take 1 more cup of tea and I'll before taking brushing I'll take 1 more cup of tea. After brushing I'll take 1 more cup of tea. Before breakfast I'll take 1 more cup of tea. After breakfast I'll take 1 more cup of tea. Sometimes I'll take tea before taking tea, and after taking tea I'll take 1 more cup of tea. That's my strong habit of taking more cups of tea. This is my habit. What is written here? HABIT habit. I am breaking 1 letter here. Still a bit of that habit is here. I wanted to break my habit. I broke 1 more letter. Bit of it is there. And I am clearing 1 more letter. It is still existing. And I am clearing 1 more letter. Hey, this is my strong habit is remind here. Though I torn into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, my habit is being here. Say, but here this habit, I'm okay. Now how many pieces are here? 5 pieces. Now 5 pieces. If I just don't abracadabra. It's not my voice. Okay. If I just produce a invisible magic wand, can you see the invisible magic wand? You can't see because it's invisible. Okay. And if I'll wave here, and if I'll vanish, and if I'll open this here, and here we have once again my magic, my habit has come back. Understand? Say, once if you are habitual with any habit, you cannot restrict it. But the NLP says that you can restrict your habit if you stop doing whatever your strong habits. మీకు ఏదైనా ఒక చెడు అలవాటు ఉందంటే అది 21 days మానేస్తే 22nd day you don't get that a thought రాదు. It becomes a second nature. Anything that repeated 21 times. What is today's date? 17. Just add 21 days. 21 days add చేస్తే అక్టోబర్ December 8th. Say by the time December 8th, you have to transform yourself to positive learner, good learner. Okay, this is a pledge we are taking today. Understand? December 12th means 21 days. If you repeat whatever I am saying now, if you repeat that 21 times, you will become a good habit, a good learner.